Hey guys, this is Nick again. Uh, it's a beautiful Saturday morning here at Angeles Crest in Los Angeles. This is beautiful, beautiful, quiet. Just thought I'd come in and enjoy the sun. I saw this video um, in, I saw this news reporting by Inside Edition regarding lane splitting. I thought it was, at the least, very, very inaccurate or unfair because just the way it portrays the dangers of lane splitting. Check out the video.
It's something most drivers have experienced, that sudden fright when a motorcyclist speeds right by you in between the lanes on the freeway. It's called lane splitting, and while it's incredibly dangerous, surprisingly, it is not illegal everywhere. Amber Cagliano has more.
They cruise down the interstate, zipping dangerously close between cars. It's called lane splitting, bikers burning rubber to cut through congested traffic. How dangerous is it? Look at this. We found videos posted all over the web showing crash after crash after crash.
And there's traffic, which makes me nervous.
Trevor Machin was flying down this California freeway when this happened. A driver collided with his bike, sending him sprawling.
Oh my God!
The dramatic accident was all caught on his helmet GoPro. These good Samaritans came to his aid while he lay there stunned.
Just stay as still as possible, okay?
Please don't call my parents because they'll kill me.
Then EMS arrives.
Were you split lane?
I was lane splitting.
Our Lisa Guerrero spoke with him.
Holy moly, you are lucky to be alive,
Absolutely.
right?
Okay, so if you check that out, you see what I mean. It kind of seems like the video portrays lane splitting as being extremely reckless and dangerous, and that it's something that causes motorcyclists to crash all the time. I just want to give you my perspective as a bike rider. That's not the case. I vehemently disagree with that. I don't know if you can call that fake news or inaccurate news, unfair news, whatever you call it. The real truth about lane splitting is that if you do it correctly, I have a video on this, by the way, check it out. If you apply the correct techniques in lane splitting as far as safety is concerned, and if you obey all the laws, lane splitting will actually turn out to be a safer solution. Just think about the alternative. If you don't lane split, it means you are going to be sandwiched between two cars in the front and the back. More than that, you're going to be susceptible to a car missing you, maybe on the side. The car won't see you because you're in this blind spot, and the car will try to overtake the lane that you're in. At that point, as a motorcyclist, you have no options. You're at the mercy of the car. I don't like that. I'd rather be at the mercy of what I decide on the road, and not necessarily on what the other car is dictating for you. Well, that's my view on lane splitting. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm also going to post the link to the Inside Edition video on the description of this video. If you guys want to check out the full clip, let me know your thoughts. I'm really interested to see what the motorcycle community has to say about this. Take care. Bye.